So actually, I have discussed this topic in finance session, but some people may join only for SCM. So I want to recap what we are going to discuss. This is Microsoft Dynamics 365 F&O functional training. And this session is for supply chain management, trade and logistics. Trade and logistics, functional consultant role. Okay, SCM consultant. So if you want to learn Microsoft Dynamics 365, you need to have domain knowledge or functional knowledge. So domain knowledge or functional knowledge means what, where, when, which, why. If you have the questions, that is domain knowledge. So that means everything is real-time scenario. Everything whenever you are learning, you need to learn with the real-time scenario. Okay, and how to operate Dynamics application. So many people will think like, if I open this application, then if I click here, how to learn? People will concentrate on this one only. Because the main challenge is whatever you are learning with your hands, you need to express your knowledge through mouth. That is domain knowledge. See, through hands, you are learning. That will be stored in your brain. In your brain, it will be stored. That brain will give instructions to speak. That is important. So, in our body, the coordination between with your hands connected to brain is connected to your mouth. Your mouth only can deliver the information to opposite person. So these two are very, very important. People will speak like, if I learn how to operate, I can get a job. No. You need to express your knowledge with the real-time scenario. Okay, and you need to learn some ERP concepts also. You need to learn little bit technical knowledge and then interview techniques. All these things together, you need to learn. And along with this one, you need to get a job. If you want to get a job, then you have to have good communication skills, educational qualification, and join the live sessions, practice with the system, and discussion with colleagues. So this is your duty. This is your duty. This is my responsibility. I'm going to teach you. Okay. So remember, it is my responsibility to learn this application, and it is your responsibility what you need to do together getting opportunities in the market. Okay, I'm not giving any job guarantee kind of thing. It is your practice, hard work. You are going to get selected the company. Now, whenever you are learning, the first one is you need to learn transactions. What is transaction? Purchase order, product receipt, vendor invoice, sales order, packing slip, invoice. All those things are transactions. Next, masters, customer account, vendor account, item master, all those things you need to learn. Next, setups and configurations. So setups, parameters, configurations, you need to learn all these things. Once you are familiar these things, okay, once it is familiar, then I will create new company, sample project. Then parameters, setups, configurations, masters, transactions. So this is your duty. Transaction is not your duty. Transaction is business users' duty. Business people, they will do it. Okay. So while learning, you need to learn happy pause, positive scenarios, and negative scenarios. happy paths and negative scenarios. So with the happy paths or positive scenarios, you are going to get blue color intimation. That means successfully completed. Yellow color or orange color means it's a warnings. Yellow color or orange color is warnings. Red color means errors. Okay. So the session will be around 10 weeks and the session will be 11:30 to 12:30 IST. 11:30 to 11:30 AM to 12:30 noon IST. Okay, you can approach Rajshekhar for installation application. You can approach Rajshekhar. Rajshekhar number is this one. Okay, so any questions on this point, please? Any questions about this topic? Like, what is your roles? What is my roles? This is my roles. This is your roles. Because I will make sure you are going to learn the subject properly, how to operate. ERP concepts means it is a ledger subledger concept, some number sequences or shared data, enterprise level data, all those things we are going to. Okay, I'm going to teach you all these things very clearly so that you will understand and you will gain knowledge. And this one is your responsibility to get a job. So if you want to get a job, all these skills required. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, please. Yeah.
sir, in the last you have mentioned the certification of 310.
Yes.
But I guess 310 is cancelled by the Microsoft, if I'm not
No,
wrong.
no, it is 300 cancelled.
Okay.
300 is cancelled. 310 is finance. 330 is SCM trade and logistics plus warehouse management. These two, 330. And this is 335.
Okay. Okay. So
340 also.
310 is,
Huh?
I guess, advanced from the
No,
300.
310 is a finance.
Okay.
Finance course. 330 is these two, SCM trade and logistics plus WMS, TMS landed cost.
Okay.
Okay. 340 it is closed. Retail and POS. This is also no more now. There is no certification. Now, let me go back. So if you want to learn this any ERP, Microsoft Dynamics 365, any ERP, okay, you need to remember you are going to join in a software company. This software company is called Microsoft Partner Company. Okay, maybe Accenture, maybe TCS, maybe Infosys, or maybe Godrej, Sonata Software. Okay, Wipro. There are so many companies are there in the market. There are many companies. Okay, fine. So you are going to work for a project. Once you join in a software company, you are going to work for a project. That project is called client. What this client will do, they will purchase the material, they will sell the material. They will purchase the material, they will sell the material. This is SCM, supply chain management, trade and logistics. Trade and logistics, SCM is this one, purchasing and selling. So this topic you are going to learn a lot. Okay, purchasing and selling. So let me explain you about the purchase process and sales process. This purchase process. purchase order process. Purchase order process. So purchase order process means purchase order creation. Purchase order confirmation. Product receipt. Then vendor invoice. Okay, between purchase order and purchase order confirmation, there are some stages like draft mode, in review, and approve. All these things you will understand slowly. And between this one and this one, registration process. Okay, this dotted one you will learn later. The first step is purchase order creation, confirmation, product receipt, vendor invoice. Okay, what is this purchase order creation? What is this purchase order creation? Meaning, because I'm running my business, you need to imagine this is your business so that it will be easy to understand. If you are imagining like I'm running my business, then it will be easy for you, for any person can understand ERP easily. If it is assumed like this is my company. Okay, I'm purchasing material and I'm selling material. Suppose if I want to purchase from here, I need to inform to this company what are the items required. Example, suppose I want 10 mobiles, 5 laptops. I need to inform from here to here. That is purchase order creation means our company is informing to the vendor company what are the materials required. That is purchase order creation. Confirmation means we are giving information. Now, the date, yes, I will deliver. Who is going to confirm this one? Vendor. So vendor will confirm this one. By so and so date, I will deliver this material. Vendor will confirm the date so that I will deliver. Then it is receiving the material. And here, the physical inventory will be increased. Vendor invoice means vendor balance will be updated. Okay, let me show you this one in the system. Where would we have to do? So this is the application. I'm closing. You need to open the browser and you need to click on the link, the web link, and you need to enter username and password. You need to enter username and password. The form will be opened like this. So now, for practicing purpose, Microsoft has given so many sample companies. DEMF means it is German-based company. FRRT means France-based company. UK-based company. Like this it is there, so many. For practicing purpose, try to go to USMF company. Okay, USMF company. Just give me a minute. Okay, so now, so we are doing in USM. Okay, let me go here. Procurement and module. Procurement and sourcing module. Collapse all. Purchase orders, all purchase orders. You can see the path. Here, this is module name. This is called modules. Procurement and sourcing modules. These are menus. These are menus. This is menu item. So if you want to open the purchase order, the path is procurement and sourcing, purchase orders, all purchase orders. The path. Okay.
Sometimes this could be AP module as well, right?
So this is, if it is vendor invoice will be done by finance department. So purchase order will be created by purchase department. This will be done by purchase department. Then this is accounts payable clerk. So to do vendor invoice, they will open from the PO from accounts payable. So always procurement and sourcing department, that means purchase department, they will create a purchase order. And I will come to this invoice. Okay, I will come to that. So now I'm creating new. Click on new button. Select the vendor account. Select the warehouse. So here, this is vendor account, means maybe this vendor, maybe this vendor, maybe this vendor. Every time I will purchase from vendor. Okay, that is vendor. This is my company. My company is located in some warehouse. This is warehouse. This is warehouse. Okay. So I have selected vendor account from which vendor we are going to, and we are for which warehouse we need material. Click OK. And what is the item we need? What is the item we need? I'm selecting the item. Click on tab 10 quantity. That is purchase order creation. Okay. And this one, we'll discuss this point later about what is this draft mode, in review, approved, all these things are in the coming session you are going to learn. And vendor confirmed, yes, I will deliver so and so date. That is here. You can enter here the delivery date. Yes, he confirmed, yes, I will deliver material today. Then we need to do confirm delivery. Confirm. Confirmation is mandatory. This is mandatory step. We need to do confirm. So purchase order confirmation, this is mandatory. Means compulsory. Then I'm taking duplicate. I'm opening product receipt. So product information management. Collapse all. Products. Released products. Okay, I'm opening this item. Actually, there are 4 words product master, released product, item master. The difference between these four you will understand in the coming sessions, not now, after 1 week. At present, all are same. At present, all are same. Product master, release product, item master. But what is the differences between these four words? I will discuss with you in the coming session. Okay, fine. Now, we have created purchase order and we have done confirmation. These two steps I have finished. Purchase order creation and purchase order confirmation we did. Next, we are doing product receipt. So now, if you verify here for this item, manage inventory, view manage inventory tab, view area page, on hand inventory. The physical inventory is 335. It is 335. Now we are receiving 10 quantity. So now I am doing product receipt. Now I am doing product receipt. So you need to enter product receipt number. What is this product receipt number means? This company, whenever delivering, they will generate delivery document, delivery note or delivery challan. They will deliver the material. So that document number you need to enter here. It is important, very, very important. For now, I'm entering, time being, I'm entering some dummy number. But in real-time scenario, you need to enter very important number. Okay, vendor will give you the document number that you need to enter. Date is not mandatory, best practices. So click OK. Now, if you do product receipt, what happens? This physical inventory, earlier it is 335. Earlier it is 335. Now we have received 10, that is product receipt. If I refresh, it will become 345. It is becoming 345 because we have received 10 quantity from the vendor. From the vendor, we have received invoice. Now I am doing generating invoice. So now this purchase order creation and confirmation will be done by purchase department. Product receipt will be done by warehouse department. Warehouse department, they will do product receipt. Next, invoice will be done by accounts payable clerk or purchase department, like accounts payable clerk or accounts department. So now 2125 finance department or accounts payable clerk, they will open from here. Accounts payable, purchase orders, all purchase orders. And we can open this one. It is received by warehouse team. Material is received. They will open this one. And they will generate the invoice copy. So we have received invoice copy from the vendor that you need to enter here. And invoice date, it is not mandatory, it is best practice. So here, not performed is there. Match update status, then passed. So what is this update match status? You don't know. So I'm writing down as a pending point. Pending points. This is update. What is this update match status? Next month end, you are going to learn. Next month end, I will teach you After 1.5 months, you are going to learn what is this update mass status. Okay, this you are going to learn in future. So you have clicked on update mass status, it is passed, then post button. Totals we need to verify what is the value, 8,990 amount. Okay, and then post. Okay, that is invoice process. This is the invoice process. Is it clear? Any questions till now? See, whenever I'm teaching, if you are not able to follow me, please interrupt. And you can ask any number of questions, I can give you clarification.
Hi, sir. Is there
Yeah.
a provision to create purchase quote as well? Can we create
Yes,
purchase
it is
quotation?
available. That is, before this one, before this one, there are two different processes. One is
Mhm.
purchase requisition process,
Yeah, right.
and then request for quotation process. This I will discuss with you later.
Okay.
These two processes you are going to learn before this one, purchase process. You need to learn these two also. These two I will discuss with you definitely in future, coming sessions after 10 days. Yeah, fine.
Okay.
Yes, Raviteja.
Okay. So we will create a purchase order creation to the vendor company. That is clear. So we are giving the confirmation date, right, which is a mandatory.
Yeah.
So if
Actually, date
if we
is not
select the
mandatory.
date, yeah,
Date is
okay,
not mandatory. Confirmation
okay,
is mandatory. Yeah. Yes.
confirmation is mandatory. So once we create, I mean, once we create this purchase order confirmation, what is going to happen? It will be notified to vendor company with the specific date, or if they,
No.
I mean, if they
No.
didn't responded before that time, and it will be cancelled, and how it is? No, I'm
So
confused.
yeah. So here, to process this entire thing, if you want to do product receipt and invoice, confirmation is mandatory. That is the step process.
Okay.
Now, once it is created, actually there is an approval process.
Okay.
Approval process means internally we need to take approval from our manager. Okay. So what is this? I will discuss with you now itself. What is this functionality so that we can proceed. This actually I will discuss tomorrow in detail, but let me show you. Suppose I'm purchasing 10 mobiles, like suppose 100 mobiles, at the rate of each one it is 10K. So it is 10 lakhs. And I'm purchasing 100 washing machines. Okay, now each one it is 20,000. lakhs. Okay. Now I'm purchasing 100 projectors. Each one it is 2 lakhs rupees. Then it is 2 crores. Okay. I started my business recently by investing 5 crores. I have invested 5 crores. I started new company. My purchasing clerk, a new employee joined. He is purchasing like this. So is this fine? Any problem here? Any problem like this if you are purchasing?
Yes,
What is the problem?
because see, we started business with 5 crores and he already trying to purchase with more than 2 crores. So there won't be any budget or I mean, they need to look on the requirement if
Fine.
really they have the requirement
Now,
and a lot
if
of
you are a
things.
manager, what you will approve?
Probably,
So-
so yeah,
Hmm.
either we can, no, based on the requirement, if it really
This,
need
see,
this and we can
see,
approve. Yeah,
data entry operator, he is entering.
yes,
Simple here, he is entering. Like numbers only he can enter.
yes,
Okay. Now, this is a best price in the market. And a vendor is also best vendor you are purchasing. Now, if you are a manager, how can you approve? Your numbers, what is your numbers if you are a manager? Simple, straightforward I came. So the best price and best vendor only we chosen.
Yeah.
Now you are a manager, purchasing manager. Okay, what is your numbers? Yeah. Okay, right or wrong, no problem. Yeah, proceed.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what I know. We need to work on the price also. Either it's a best
Price,
price.
that is the best price. I told you, best price we have achieved already.
Okay, okay.
That is the best price, industry
So
best price.
then we need to work on the quantity because
Yeah.
is
Yeah, how
really
many you are
required or
going to
not.
approve with your experience?
I mean, it's based on the business only. Initially,
So my
yeah,
question is, I know.
Yeah.
So my question is, I have selected vendor. Okay, I have selected warehouse. I'm a clerk, purchasing clerk. I did it. Now I'm entering data. Okay.
Yeah.
So now here, based on the quantity and can we write it? No, we cannot. We need to
We
enter
can.
the system.
Yes.
1 or 10 or 100 or 1000. We need to inform.
Yes.
Now, what is your opinion in this? What is your opinion if you are doing like this?
So initially we'll go ahead with the 10 or 15 quantity since
Okay,
it's a
10,
best vendor and
10.
best
Okay,
quantity.
mobiles, washing
Yes.
machines 10,
Yes.
projectors 10.
Yeah, maybe. Yes.
Okay. Any other opinions, please? See, Raviteja opinion is like 10, 10, 10. That's good. Okay. Any other opinions?
So 50 mobiles, maybe 50 washing machines and 10 projectors.
50, 50. Okay. And 10 projectors. Okay. Any other opinions, please? Any other?
Satya, what was the exact question here?
So how many, if you are a purchasing manager, how many mobiles you are planning to purchase? You are going to suggest your junior purchasing clerk. You are a purchase manager.
Correct. That is based on the purchase requisition from the production team.
Now we need to decide. So that is fine. So it is, now we are not discussing about the equations and everything. Now we cannot enter here based on the background, based on, I cannot write like this, am I right? Based on something I cannot write. I need to enter some number. Agree? If I want to purchase. So now, if you are a manager, what is your opinion?
See, I want to go for a bulk purchase so that at least
Definitely. See, I told you I have invested 5 crores. It is our business started with the 5 crores. Roughly, we have to have some, am I right? Numbers. Yeah. 111. Or any number.
Sir, I think as it is within the budget, I think it's okay
So
to
I told you 5
100
crores
more.
business. 5 crores
Yeah.
business. Yeah. My turnover is 5, like my capital is 5 crores. So what is your plan? Maybe right, maybe wrong. Can you please let me know?
In my opinion, I think we can go ahead with 100 mobiles, 100 washing machines, and 100.
Okay, next projectors.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Any other one opinions? So you are with me. Okay, fine. Any other
I
opinions,
think it
please?
depends on the past history of the
Definitely,
sales of
definitely,
that
I agree
product
with you. I
and
cannot
the
write,
forecast. Yeah.
but the problem is I cannot write here cost, dependency, quantity, and all those things here. I need to enter in the system. This is newly started business. Newly started. Right.
Okay.
We have to have some experience. Of course, that experience may be plus or minus, but should not be extreme levels. Shutdown business. Am I right?
Right.
Yes.
Yeah. So at least initially we'll do mistakes, because whenever we started business, we'll do mistakes. That mistake should not be shut down. That mistake should not close our business. Agree?
Yes.
So now, what is your opinion? Numbers. I told you this is 100, 100, 100. Okay, wrong. Okay, one person, Ravitaja, told like 10, 10, 10. Another person told like this 50, 50, 10 here. Any other opinions which you have?
Ten, 5.
Initially, he will add one.
Okay,
Then after
10, 10,
manager
5.
will.
Sorry, 5. Okay, someone else told like this. Any other opinions?
Initially, user would add one item for each product, one
Okay,
quantity for
one,
each
one,
product.
one. Okay, one,
Yeah.
one, one.
Based on this, purchasing manager will decide how many he has to buy.
Any other opinions? Any other opinions?
1 to 5 we can keep ourselves.
Okay, 1
Then
to 5.
according to our requirement,
So 1,
then
2 and
slow by
project
slow we
5.
can
Huh?
increase.
Is this
Yeah,
one?
1 to. Yeah,
Okay,
each
fine.
one, we each mobile 1 to 5, washing machine 1 to 5, within the 1 to range, within the 1 to 5.
Okay. 1 to 5 you are talking about. Okay.
Yeah, 1 to 5.
Between 1 and 5. Between 1 and 5 you are talking.
Yes, yes, 1 to 5.
And any other opinions? Yeah. Okay. So if I did purchase like this, definitely we need to shut down our business. Because see, mobiles nowadays, everyone is keep on changing every 1.5 year. That is the analysis told by, but usually I will use my mobile 4 to 5 years. On an average, I will use 4 to 5 years. But majority people, youngsters nowadays, so college students, particularly college students, they are changing every 1.5 year. So washing machines, people get married, then for their new couple, they need washing machine. Okay. Projectors utilization is very, very less. If I purchase like this, definitely my company will be shut down in one year or 1.5 year. For sure. Because it is a costly item. Very costly. Okay. So better to have, maybe I may be wrong. Everything may be. Here, maybe around 20 mobiles. Because if any customer comes, we need to show some mobiles, different mobiles. We need 20 mobiles at least. So at least 10 washing machines, models, 1 or 2 only projectors, because these are very costly, and the
Hello.
utilization of projectors is very, very less in the market. Okay? So it may be 1 or 2. So it may be plus or minus, maybe some slight mistakes may be. So this may be correct, this may be correct, this may be correct. Not an issue. We can run our business. Okay. See, these all are plus or minus okay. Plus or minus. This one, it is most dangerous. The problem is, can you mute yourself, please, if you are not speaking with me?
the project.
Okay, so if it is like this, I'm going to lose business. One mobile. If I'm maintaining one mobile, I may lose business, because if any customer comes, at least I need to show some mobiles. Okay, I need to show some mobiles. So in this one, I'm going to lose business. In this one, completely I need to shut down my business. Okay, this may be correct, maybe smaller range projectors is huge here, but I can manage. Maybe if I got loss, suppose 7-8 quantity, if I'm not able to sell this material, I may get lost initially. Okay, so projectors, if it is 5, okay, reasonable, but this is little bit far better. I may be wrong, but this is you are losing business completely, because you are not keeping sufficient stock. This is you are shut down your business. So this analysis can be done by purchase manager very clearly. What number they need to purchase with his history in his mind, because I started new business, but purchasing manager may work in another company or some other company. He may have some historical data. What is the market standards? How many items will be sold? This mobiles, washing machines. He will have information. Based on that, he will purchase the numbers, and he will suggest or he will guide purchasing clerk. So for that only, confirmation will be done by this approval and confirmation. One is approval process. You will understand the coming sessions. In the coming sessions, you are going to learn, and the confirmation. So this will be done by your manager, purchasing manager. So purchasing clerk, he will enter the data, and this analysis like draft, in review, approved, and confirmation, these things will be under control from purchase manager. He will take the decisions, and then remaining process will be processed. So approval process is important. Approved. Actually, there is a workflow process that I will teach you maybe after 3 days, 4 days. Okay, that in that you will understand this review process, draft, in review, and approved. After that, it will be confirmed. So I have skipped that process. We are doing confirmation simply. Okay, this decision is not so simple. Yeah, I think you understood the pain, how to take the decision. So purchasing manager will take the decision. From that, it will be approval will be happens. Approval will be happens, and then going forward, it will be confirmed and product received. Okay, so this is purchasing department will do, and once it is finalized, confirmed, the vendor will deliver. Like vendor will deliver the material, will receive. Now in the system, we have one more process, vendor collaboration. So here in this purchase orders, he can confirm the material. Yes, I can deliver the material so and so date. If you give permission for this access, this application access to the vendor, then he can access. So for that, we have some security roles. Okay, this one is actually in my system, it is security roles are not working. Security, okay. Here in this, it is not working. Some roles are there. That is external roles will be there. That means using that security roles, user permissions. So we can give permission, and he can access only his transactions using this one. This is a light user. If you want, you can give permission to the right user. How can you give? If you go to vendor account, accounts payable, vendors, all vendors. Okay, for this vendor, You can map here permission. Active PO not confirmed. Active PO is auto confirmed. So this, if you give permission, user permissions, you can get it. That is a light user functionality. Okay, small functionality is there. Using that permissions, we can do it. Okay, now this confirmation, if you really want by vendor your system to access, yes, he can access, but he cannot look at all these things. He cannot have access to these modules. Only he can see from vendor collaboration, he can see only purchase orders for him only. Okay, if you want. If you give permission, yes, we can do it. Okay, this is vendor collaboration. So vendor also can do confirmation. Otherwise, if it is not there, we can do, our manager or supervisor will do the confirmation. Next, product receipt will be done by warehouse department. Warehouse department. After confirmation, before product receipt, if you want registration process also there. That registration process I will discuss with you later on. You are going to learn. Then receiving. Invoice will be done by purchase department. Sorry, accounts payable clerk or accounts department. Accounts payable clerk or accounts department, they will do invoice in the process. Okay. Any more questions, please? Anyone have any questions about this purchase order process? Going forward, you are going to learn in depth about the process. Yeah. Any more questions? Shyam, if you are speaking, I'm not able to hear you. If in case you are speaking.
Yeah. So here, with related to this purchase order process, are you going to teach us on the this one process flow and workflow things, because that has to go by approval process, right?
Yeah, purchase requisition is must. Through workflow only we can proceed. It is mandatory. Definitely I will teach you, because there are many things mandatory setups. Purchase requisition. Okay, suppose whenever you are doing purchase requisition, you are going to learn that one, not now. After like 20 days, 30 days, you are going to learn. In the purchase requisition, if you go here, you cannot find the item details. Item details are not showing properly. Look at this one. Why it is not showing all the items? What are the prerequisites? It is only few only coming. There is a restrictions. Okay, and new button also will be disabled. If I go to system administration, users, admin, save. Okay, now if you go to purchase requisition, there are so many conditions. You go to purchase requisition, procurement and sourcing, purchase requisitions. I cannot click on new button. I am an administrator. I'm an admin, but I cannot access. So there are many conditions for the purchase requisition. All those things you should know. Because it is administrator, am I right? I'm administrator, admin. I have system administrator role. But even though I cannot access. So there are so many conditions related to purchase requisition, related to vendor, related to purchase requisition and items and the user permissions. There are many things, combinations you need to learn. All those things will be covered. Definitely. Sure, you are going to learn. And request for quotation process also you are going to learn. Yeah, clear?
Yeah, hi Satya. So,
Yeah,
would you also give us a way to set up the EDI? Like, vendor catalogs?
EDA is a part of technical.
Oh, the configuration is technical. How
Yeah,
do we
definitely.
collaborate with vendors?
Yeah.
Okay. And by vendor, like purchase order confirmation, you're what I believe is sending the purchase order to vendor. Is
Yes.
that correct? So
Yes.
there are multiple methods to send the purchase order, right? In Dynamics, do we have like dispatch via print, fax, all these things, or only
So
specific?
it is there, but depends. So you have, see, here I'm not going to teach you all those things, but here we have options. Like whenever you are doing the print options, there are so many print options. Let me do confirmation once first.
Okay.
Give me a minute. I'm doing confirmation.
So confirmation is not just sending to the vendor yet, right? Is it sending to the vendor?
Yeah, it is. No. It is before that. If you want to take a printout, you can take a printout.
Okay.
Okay. And then just printouts I'm showing you. There are several ways we can take a printouts.
Okay.
Okay, 1 minute. The print setups I missed. 1 minute. So you are talking about printing setups.
No. I'm talking about how do you send the purchase order to the vendor? Like types of ways to send the purchase order.
See, one is email.
Okay.
Right. Nowadays, no one will send the physical copy. When I started my career in 2000, at that time, it is physical copy only.
Right.
Okay. Otherwise, phone. Over phone, we are informing.
Correct.
Otherwise, print out, sending through email. These are the options. What else you are expecting?
Right. That's what I was expecting. Now, these fax and all these, it's available,
nowadays,
right?
I don't think so. Nowadays, people are using fax.
Okay.
I don't think so. It is a waste of papers. Right?
Mm.
Email.
Okay.
So that's what you can do. Configuration of email. Okay, you can do configuration from email. So for that, whenever you are doing, we have, let me show you. So in this one, let me change something. So now here, purchase inquiry is there, confirmation is there. In this, print setups are there. You can configure the setups. Got it? So that setup is techno-functional because email configuration is not from here. So let me show you that one. This one, print setups also one of the topic. Okay, I can show you, but I'm not going to configure all those things because we don't have printer and everything. So if you want this one, if you go to vendor account, we can map the print steps. One is vendor wise, you can select or something else. So here we can have print setups. Give me a minute. Where is that printing? This is here. Print setup is by vendor wise. You can map it. So these are the documents. You can map here. Like this, you can map. Okay, this is vendor wise if you want. For all vendors, you can have a print setup here. One setup, 1 second. In design procurement sourcing. Give me a second, please. Auto procurement sourcing. Setup. Setup. Yes. Here it is there. These setups. Okay. So if you want to take a printout, print management, take from purchase order confirmation something. Okay, here print setups, and you can have email also. If you want, you can configure this one. Email configurations. Okay, this email should be mapped with SMTP setups. So SMTP setups and configuration will be done by technical people. So we can configure. This is a little bit techno functional, but the setups where you have to do, you can do from here. Got it? Yeah. Is it clear? Still any questions, please? Any more questions?
Hi, Satya. This is Mamata.
Yeah, Mamta, tell me.
Yeah. Do we cover BOM, like bill of materials?
Yeah, definitely. So bill of material also I will cover, and I will explain you a little bit about manufacturing also. Little bit.
Warehouse management.
Warehouse management also little bit, not much. And for finance people also, for them it is little bit project management. So one session I will teach this one. One session, 1 hour, 1.5 hour or something. But you will get bored because it is not relevant here. But BUM, yes, it will be covered clearly in this one other topic.
Okay.
Another
Thank
topic.
you.
Okay, but high level picture about WMS, TMS landed cost and discrete manufacturing, process manufacturing, lean manufacturing, and project management accounting. High level I will cover, not in depth, because for each one we need 3 months. This one we need 3 months sessions. But what is high level picture I will teach you. Yeah. Any more questions, team? Any more questions? If no more questions, the same link will be continued tomorrow also. You can join tomorrow also. Later on, we can discuss about fee or kind of thing, anything we can discuss. So tomorrow also, please join the same session. Finance, same session. SCM, trade elastics, same session. Yeah. If no questions, we can wind up the session now. Can connect once again tomorrow, same time. See you all. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
welcome.
Thank you.